Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the flavors of a delicious spicy soybean salad. Let's jump right in. Start by pre-soaking the soybeans. Then transfer them to a pot of boiling water and cook for about 20 minutes until they're tender. While those soybeans are simmering away, let's prep the rest of our ingredients. Slice up the cilantro into segments, mince that garlic, and give those chili peppers a hand tear, adding a kick of spice to our salad. Once the soybeans are perfectly cooked, drain them and put them into a bowl. Now it's flavor time. That minced garlic, the fragrant cilantro, the zingy light soy sauce, a touch of sugar, a pinch of salt, some chicken powder for depth, a drizzle of sesame oil, and a splash of vinegar. Mix it all up until everything is beautifully combined, and voila, your spicy soybean salad is ready to rock your taste buds. Give this recipe a whirl and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.